The Lakers are back sa winning column, defeating po ang 76ers 112-108. What a good day para sa mga Los Angeles Lakers fans. Here's your boy, Sportsmanda, ang inyong pabasang live commentary. At pag-uusapan na natin na mabilisan ang naganap na laban sa pagitan po ng ating paboritong koponan ng Los Angeles Lakers kontra kay Joel Embiid, Tyrese Maxey, Quentin Grimes, and the rest of the 76ers. At yan po yung ating dadalhin. Maraming salamat, and this is of course a pre-recorded video. Maraming salamat of course after po ng panalo ng Los Angeles Lakers. Ito mga idol, ang kabuuan ng istorya. It was a very good win for the Los Angeles Lakers at LeBron James is back. The King is back, scoring 29 points in 34 minutes, brother, with 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 turnovers mga kapatid, 1 steal and 1 block. And those are the numbers to ni LeBron James, but someone is missing for the Los Angeles Lakers. And I'm talking about Austin Reeves, who averages as much as 30 plus points per game, but right now he's out, he's quiet. He only have 11 points tall in the game, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 turnovers in 3 out of 16 shooting so far. This is the worst Austin Reeves that we have in the season ngayon 2025-2026. But can he recover sa susunod? Sa tingin ko, brother, babawi yan. But LeBron James to the rescue. And then, of course, we will be talking about the scores now. Well, a quick background tol, or a quick summary of the story. It was a great game in the first quarter. Lumamang ng 10 ang 76ers. And then after noon, ang Lakers was able to tie it at the end of the third quarter, scoring it 30-30. But in the first quarter, 30-30, tabla tayo at the end of the first quarter. But in the second quarter, umalagwa tol ang Philadelphia 76ers, outscoring Lakers 30-23, having 7-point lead tol at the end of the first half. But in the third quarter, brother, biglang umarangkada ang Lakers tol, 34-24 score in the third quarter. Nilamangan ng 10. So at the end of the third quarter tol, lamang tayo ng 3. And at the end of the fourth quarter, brother, Lakers proving everything now, scoring 25-24, 112-108. That is why we are back in the winning column. Now, let's talk about the scores. And I'm talking about the numbers now. Eto tol, ang ating numbers. I will quickly run it to you guys. LeBron James, 34 minutes, brother. 29 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 turnovers, 1 steal, 1 block. Kaya nga marami nagsasabi that LeBron is back, is finding his rhythm. But according po sa post-game interview, he's still saying that he's not 100%. Well, I guess he is. If he says so, maniniwala tayo that LeBron James is now 100%. Luka Doncic, idol, congratulations. Kapapanganak lang ng kanyang second, ng asawa niya sa kanilang second daughter. But still, though, was able to manage a triple-double performance. 31 points, 15 rebounds, 11 assists, and 5 turnovers, tol. Meron 2 blocks tol si Luka Doncic, which is phenomenal. At 15 rebounds, triple-double. I think tol, he is the second player now in NBA history to score a triple-double. I don't have the numbers, but I was able to check it. Sinabi nila real time, Luka Doncic, idol, proving his worth tol as being one of the best players now in the NBA. But of course, another contribution tol from Rui Hachimura. He shoots 3 out of 7. He's 3 out of 7 from the 3-point line. He has 17 points. He bagged 6 rebounds, dimes or dished 1 assist, tol, and it's not bad. Plus 7 tol sa plus and minus category. But DeAndre Ayton, brother, plus 10, double-double performance. It is not the typical score na nakikita natin kay DeAndre Ayton, because as far as I know, DeAndre Ayton averaging 20 plus points. But right now, tol, with 14 points, 12 rebounds, double-double performance, brother, 2 assists, and he is, what I can say, a threat tol underneath the basket. Kahit papano, brother, pag nandiyan dyan ang DeAndre Ayton, nagkakaroon ng pagkakaiba ang tirada ng mga kalaban, and especially if they will drive to the paint, if they'll drive to the basket, well, DeAndre Ayton will be there to intimidate you. Samantala, Austin Reeves, naku po, ito idol, medyo nakakalungkot. Marami nagsasabi that Austin Reeves, baka mamaya ay naapektuhan ng mga rumors from the social media about him getting traded to Milwaukee Bucks, to have Giannis Antetokounmpo. But when it comes to Facebook, idol, marami mga ganyan. But on Instagram and Twitter, there might be some. But I believe, brother, the way things are going with the relationship of Austin Reeves with Luka Doncic as the BFF stall ng Lakers, I think, brother, sana hindi mangyari. At sa palagay ko tol, medyo malabong mangyari kasi medyo mabigat na rin ang first apron o ang masasabi natin salary cap ngayon ng Lakers sa first apron. At marami po malamang ang magiging kapalit niyan in case But another good thing, eto nga tol nakakapagtaka sa Lakers, napakaalat tol ng kanilang second unit. Jake LaRavia scoring 4 points but he's plus 12 tol, meaning that is very good when it comes to playing inside the basketball court, although hindi natin nakikita nagre-reflect yung number niya, yung points, yung rebounds, yung assist, but his presence alone, yung hustle alone, yung intimidation sa depensa, because Jake LaRavia is all over the place, is one of the best guys that we have now para sa Lakers dito sa game. But on the other hand, Gabe Vincent, idol, medyo masama, 1 out of 3 shooting. He gave up too many shots tol, not defending well, kaya minus 12 siya. Adu Fierro, brother, not playing for 4 minutes, kaya lang wala. Jackson Hayes, brother, minus 6, only has 3 points, but he got 5 rebounds and suffered 5 personal fouls. Madaling makakuha tol ng fouls ito eh. One thing I love what the Lakers did here is, of course, they were able to limit Tyrese Maxey just to 28 points. Tol, sa season averages, brother, itong record ni Tyrese Maxey, 31.6 points. 31.6 points. Itong record ni Austin Reeves, 29.3. 29 lang pala tol si Austin Reeves. But for you to be able to limit Tyrese Maxey at bawasan mo tol ng 3, di ba, laking tulong pa rin yan, meaning that the Lakers really did their assignment para medyo pahirapan itong si Tyrese Maxey not to be able to be comfortable, but still tol, is very damaging. This guy is phenomenal, a blooming superstar in the making. Tyrese Maxey, hopefully sana wag lang ma-injury, brother. He got 28 points, Tyrese Maxey, brother, in 7 rebounds, 9 assists, guys. Konti na lang, idol, magti-triple-double na tong mamang to, no? So this guy is really the head of the snake when it comes to the Philadelphia 76ers. VJ Edgecomb, isa rin idol sa mga nagbigay ng problema sa Lakers. Nakakuha ng 15 points. Joel Embiid, tol, sabi nga nila tol, nung nakaraan hindi naglaro si Joel Embiid at si Paul George, mga brothers, pero sabi ng mga tropa natin sa comment section kanina, natutuwa ako tol, is pag daw kalaban ng Lakers yung mga pilay nakakapaglakad. Nakakapaglakad. Well, I think Joel Embiid is healthy, brother, and talaga nag-reserve lang for the Los Angeles Lakers but unable to defeat them. 9-man rotation for Coach Nick Nurse, but what I can say tol, ang laking tulong ng bench nila, no? Andre Drummond, idol, with 11 points. You have Jared McCain, idol, 8 points, 2 out of 4 from the 3-point line yan. Quentin Grimes, 7, at Jabari Walker, tol, 4 points. At ang one thing tol na very lucky for the Los Angeles Lakers ay gusto kong itakil at itouch talaga is yung kanilang free throw shooting. Look at the free throw shooting tol ng Philadelphia 76ers. 23, angat ko lang. 23 out of 26, meaning, brother, they only missed 3 free throws. 3 free throws lang. Paul George 100%, Joel Embiid 100%, Tyrese Maxey 1 out of 2, VJ Edgecomb 3 out of 3 yung numbers. But Jabari Walker and Andre Drummond at ito si Tyrese Maxey are the only guys or the only players who missed or split the charity tol. Samantala, tol, ang Lakers, eto brother, medyo masakit sa mata, 17 out of 27. If ganitong senaryo ng Lakers, 17 out of 27, missing 10 free throws. That's a lot. Napakarami yan, mga brothers. Why? Look at the numbers. 112-108. 112-108. If this ball game natalo ang Lakers by a point, pwede nating sisihin yung free throw shots nila. They need to go back to the free throw line, idol, at mag-practice muli para bumalik manumbalik tol yung tira. This is worst. 63%. This is worst. 63%. But yung kanilang shooting, brother, percentage throwing less shot, 48%, brother, proving that Lakers, when it comes to half-court offense, maganda yung kanilang nilalaro. But again, terrible shot. 17 out of 27 from the foul line. What I love about the Lakers are the turnovers. Last game against the Boston Celtics, brother, kat kulang yung kanilang turnovers, only 11. Slowly, brother, mas nababawasan pa ng Lakers yung kanilang turnovers, 10. Samantala, yung kita nyo naman tol, yung turnovers ng Philadelphia 76ers, 5. That is why when it comes to turnover volume, mas nakakaangat tol ang Philadelphia 76ers. Still tol, ang Lakers, if they can balance things out, less turnovers, kasi tol, Luka Doncic, alam natin, Luka Doncic is the main or the focal point ng depensa ng Lakers. The more he got the ball, the more he's the, let's say, head of the snake ng Lakers, more chances of him, mga brothers, na magkakaroon ng turnovers. 5 turnovers, 2 turnovers for LeBron. Yung nakaraan, wala. Sa last laro ni LeBron, wala. Austin Reeves has 2. 1 from Jake LaRavia and the rest all, wala naman masyadong mga turnover. But if we can lower this down to 7 or 8, tol, that will be a lot. That will be a lot. In the rebound category, total rebounds tol na nakuha ng Lakers, idol, we can go ahead and check here sa team statistics that this is more clear information. Here we go now, tol. Rebounds 52 for the Lakers, 54 for the 76ers. That is why if you're going to check sa NBA, ang rebounding category, medyo mababa ang Lakers sa rebound category. The only thing that the Lakers are good at when it comes to half-court offense. Half-court offense, tol, yun ang maganda sa Los Angeles Lakers. But in the meantime, this is a very good win. In fact, this is a very good win. Although they are the favorite to win this one by 63%. But they've almost losing this one. LeBron James was phenomenal. Marami nagsasabi that LeBron James is washed. Medyo pa-expire na si LeBron, but most people doesn't understand that LeBron, because of his sciatica injury, matagal na hindi nakapaglaro, hindi nakapag-practice. Eto na, nakapag-practice lang siya tol, yung kanyang camp with the G League, and slowly LeBron still catching up with his teammates now, dahil ilang linggo din, ilang laro din hindi nakapaglaro si LeBron dito for the Los Angeles Lakers. But right now it looks like unti-unti nakukuha na rin ni LeBron yung kanyang chemistry with the team once again, and then of course yung kanyang rhythm, and then yung kanyang let's say wind, yung kanyang hangin tol, unti-unti nakukuha at makukuha yan ni LeBron James, and hopefully we will be seeing the same number from LeBron. At we're very lucky enough, idol, at age 41 he was still able to produce these kinds of number 29, although he's +1, idol. Okay na rin yan. At least he's positive pa rin yung kanyang naging result. But man, that clutch 5 straight points. Imagine, brother, the score was 105 all, and then LeBron James drills a 3-point shot on the left wing, and then after nun, sablay yung banat ng Philadelphia 76ers, and then balik na naman yung bola, and Luka decided to, hey, LeBron James is hot. Binalik niya muli yung bola kay LeBron. LeBron goes to the perimeter mid-range. Almost same spot. Medyo mas mababaw lang ng konti. Mas malapit ng konti sa ring. And he drills that mid-range tall on the left side. And that gave Lakers a 110 to 105. And that secures the win for the Lakers. Almost tol. Muntik na naman tol. Makatabla dun yung Philadelphia 76ers. Tyrese Maxey on the right corner. Pahiga na tol. Time constraints, paubos na yung oras, but he was able to make that 3-point shot to have it 110-108. Possession, nakailang tira din dol yung Philadelphia 76ers, hindi sila nakapasok, and locker break, nakuha ng Lakers yung bola. They forced to foul Luka Doncic, and Luka Doncic drills the 2 free throws, brother. That is why we have 112 to 108. But it was overall effort mula sa starting lineup ng Lakers natin, all of them gathering double digit sa points. 29 for LeBron, Rui Hachimura 17. Let's add it up just to make sure, para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Punta tayo dito tol sa team stats. Starter points, makikita na natin yan tol. Wala pala dito tol Wala pala dito yung starter point sa PBA lang pala yun. Sa PBA lang pala, sorry, my bad. Well, we can add it up for sure. So LeBron is 29, Rui has 17, that will be an automatic 46. Plus DeAndre Ayton's 14 points, so that will be 60. Plus Luka Doncic 31, that's 91. Plus Austin Reeves 111, so that will be 102. So 10 points tol ang natira sa ilalim for kay Jake Jackson is with 3, Gabe Vincent with 3. So overall it's 102 points for the starting lineup. But tol, sana sa susunod, I'd like to see contributions coming from the bench. Jared Vanderbilt, brother, 0 out of 1, played for 3 minutes. Coach JJ Redick tried him at once, tol, kasi matagal din na hindi nakakapaglaro, but still Jared Vanderbilt. Coach JJ Redick's looking for a floor spacer. He tried it once, but sablay yung tira, so they decided to what. Pero brother, kahit pa paano, some hustle plays mula kay Jared Vanderbilt, brother, ang nakatulong din for the Los Angeles Lakers. But Gabe Vincent might be the worst one, minus 10 dito sa category. And Aduthiero, 4 minutes idle, minus 7. And Jackson Ace, brother, na panay lang ang talon. Madaling itulak at nag-ano tol, at yun yung nangyari. But in the meantime, minus 6, minus 10, and hopefully, brother, sa susunod na laro ng Los Angeles Lakers, that will happen on December 11. December 11 to, sunod na laro ng Lakers. At eto po, yung laro ng Lakers, mga kapatid. Ay, sorry, my bad. It's not good sa ating lagayan dyan. But let me just pull it out. There you go. Brother, wala pa rin. Aha, ilalapit ko lang yan. Yes, brother, eto po yung laro ng Los Angeles Lakers. It will be on Thursday, December 11 at 11 in the morning. So 11-11 tayo. Lakers will be facing the San Antonio Spurs for the NBA Cup quarterfinals, and hopefully makalusod dito yung Lakers, and for a possible date once again with Oklahoma City Thunder, Phoenix Suns, another 12 quarterfinals game. So whoever wins between the Thunders and the Suns will face the winner of the Lakers and the San Antonio Spurs. Samantala, sa isang bracket din, Orlando Magic versus Miami Heat. Kung sino man nanalo dyan will face the winner of Toronto Raptors at versus New York Knicks. So another quarterfinals yan ng NBA Cup on December 10. And then whoever wins between them, and the ball game will happen on December 14. And dito na tayo, tol, magkakaalaman kung anong mangyayari. Alright, tol. Well, anyway, good win for the Lakers, and we're quite happy with their result, and hopefully tol magpatuloy ang magandang ginagawa ng Lakers, and hopefully tol LeBron James will continue to dominate once again. He is back. He is him. Austin Reeves medyo maalat ngayon, mas maalat pa tol sa pinakamaalat na asin na binuhusan pa ng patis, tol, na binudmudan pa ng toyo. So bawi next time si Austin Reeves at and not only that, of course, kasama na ang bench scoring. Well, anyway, tol, that will be it. That will be a quick one. Tol, maraming salamat sa inyo. We've tackled everything now about the game between the Los Angeles Lakers and the Philadelphia 76ers. Well, hopefully, the Lakers will soon win once again against the San Antonio Spurs para mas maganda naman yung laban. Hopefully, tol, makakuha ng NBA Cup once more. Alright, tol, kita-kits sa susunod na vlog natin.